Hi guys, welcome to this session. So in this session, we'll see how we can create an app promotion campaign on Snapchat ads plan. So let's have a look at this. So once we can start building out a campaign from here, we are going to choose app promotion and then we start building out the campaign. So let's say this is the name of the campaign and we're looking for app installs. Now you can give a start date, end date of the campaign as well. And then we can give a name to the ad set. You can also decide the performance goal. So this is going to be clicks, ideally, because when people click on it, you can also do app install goals when you have the specific conversion tracking setup done. Otherwise, you can keep it as maximize number of clicks. We can choose the bidding type as auto bidding, which is specifically an automated bidding strategy, which wherein the Snapchat will decide what to bid for every click. Then we can give the budget for this campaign. We can also choose the placements to be automatic placements, which is all across Snapchat, the ad can appear. Location targeting, so you can choose various kinds of location targeting. Let's say we're choosing in this manner, metros, cities, primarily, which you can choose over here. And then you can do your demographics targeting, language as well. Then you have audiences under lifestyle, whichever is your relevant audience, you can go ahead and target. Then you also have custom audiences, your own audience, which you can attach over here. Now in devices, you can choose the operating system. So let's say we're only focusing on Android devices. So you can remove iOS for now. And then we move to the next part, which is the ad level. So here we can create the ad, which is an app ad. Let's say the ad is about Uber, which we want to drive promotions for, downloads, installations for an Uber app. So we can do that. So we can upload the image. Let's say we are uploading a specific image over here. There is a specific dimension which only gets applied. So we have to make sure we are using that particular image. Plus we can add the background audio. Once you select the audio, then the other things which we will have to fill up as well. So let's have a look at that. Here we can give the ad identity or a headline. Just in this manner. Then the attachment. So this is where we have to provide the links of the app link specifically, which we have to provide so that when people click on our ads, they reach the particular proper link, the app link, right? So here you have deep link and you have an app install. So let's say we are choosing deep link. You can give the name. So this is an Uber. Okay. And here you can provide the Android app URL. So once you go to Play Store, you can find your Uber app URL. What you require here is specifically the one which is after equal to, as you can see, form.ubercap. This is what you require, which you can take from here and put it out here and give your app icon, which you can upload here. So these are all the details which we have provided, and here we can choose, let's say, if we have download, which makes more sense, and then put it on review. So here in the attachment specifically, we can choose app install because that is what we are looking for. an app name once again and give the Android app URL over here. We're looking for app install. Icon, we will have to provide once more. Let's have a look at this. We have chosen app install, Uber is given. Okay, the app URL is also given. The only thing which is left is the logo, which you can attach. So this part, we have to do it carefully so that we are providing the right information in the right fields. Then, because that is how it is going to work. When people click on it, they will reach the right landing page where they will be able to install the app. So now you can see all the information has been provided. This is the ad which we have created, which is for Uber over here, as you can see. And they have install now button given here, and now you can publish. So this is how an app install campaign can get created inside the Snapchat ads platform. Once the ads are approved by Snapchat ads, then the campaign can go live. This is the campaign, guys, as you can see here now, app promotion. I hope this makes sense. Thank you so much, guys, for listening to this, and I will see you in the next video.